The eligible list for this position will be used for filling seasonal recreational assistant vacancies. Positions are limited term, paid on an hourly basis, and they are not covered by the Employee Benefits Program. At the end of the season, the department can offer the opportunity to return to work the next season and career seasonal status. Incumbents in this position organize and conduct recreation and athletic activities at a municipal recreation center, playground, or community school. Duties include planning, organizing, and performing activities such as coaching soccer, volleyball, t-ball, cheerleading, basketball, and other sports and physical games, arts and craft activities, and chaperoning field trips. Some positions may require being available to work evenings, nights, and/or weekends. Working attire, recreation assistant. Required to wear sports attire with tennis shoes, no Crocs. Summer camp tees provided by the Recreation Division.